Here's a quick guide to self-sterilising your MAM Easy Start bottle. After cleaning, assemble the bottle into its four main components. Measure 20 millilitres of tap water using the scale on the bottle lid and pour it into the base. Place the teat on top of the base, then gently rest the bottle body over it. It's important that you don't screw it down. Finally, place the lid on top. Put the bottle into the microwave for 3 minutes. If you're sterilising more than one bottle, add an extra minute for each additional bottle. You can sterilise up to 6 bottles at any one time. After sterilising, let the bottle cool down for at least 10 minutes. Be careful when taking it out of the microwave, it may still be hot. Your bottle is now ready to use. And if it stays assembled in this way, it will stay sterilised for up to 48 hours, perfect for getting organised in advance.